Okay, Andrew, let's discuss our 2020 goals.
Alright. April, Paraguay. January, work. Tuesday, work. Wednesday, food.
That was not in order at all.
Listen, we're going to South America. What are you doing with your life? We're not awkward, you're awkward.
Is that all your goals?
Oh, my goals. Okay, listen, dog. This is what's about to happen this year, okay? Out in Florida, there's a little thing called sun, and we like that. So we're about to be outside baking potato chips, making Doritos.
We're going to the beach again?
I want to go to the beach and put sand in my trousers. I'm not like Anakin Skywalker. I don't dislike sand. I think it's coarse and annoying.
Oh my god, people are looking at us already. We just started. People are starting to look at us.
It's okay. We're just filming something for a private use. You know what I'm saying? Oh no!
Oh! And this is what happens when people film in the car. This is exactly the reason why you don't film in the car. P.S. I am not the one driving, yet he almost crashed.
I didn't crash. I just almost didn't not crash. You know? Red Bull gives you wings.
No.
I give you Twisted Metal. Shout out to that game.
Oh my god.